Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use SportyBet code. Now, the first thing I want you to do is, if you already have a bet slip, I want you to remove all of your bet slip right here. So click on remove all, and then I want you to click here on OK. Now, once the bet slip has been removed, you'll actually see this option. You can enter a booking code. So, to get the code itself, you just go ahead and get any game. Then you come here, click on book bet, and you'll be able to see that specific code to book that bet, right? And then you can go ahead and copy it and paste it somewhere. But to enter a code, you just come here, you click on booking code, and you need to type it in. So this is case sensitive. If you see any capital letters, it needs to be typed in exactly as it is. So we need to type in 47 UWLB. Right here, 47 UWLB, and then we'll just click on load, and as you can see, that bet has been loaded. And then you can just enter your stake and then just go ahead and place your bets. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.